Hey, my name is James Mason with Transparent Traders. In this video, I have 3 tickers for you to start watching on April 16th to position yourself for a swing trade. So with these 3 tickers, basically we are looking at them on the daily chart, and the following day, April 16th, we want to start seeing a pullback. Whether, if we're looking at a bearish one, we want to see it, go up in price. If we're looking at a bullish one, we want to see it go down in price to make your entry and then ride the momentum on up into the future. So before we go any further, all I ask is for you to subscribe to the channel and share the stuff so other traders have the opportunity, for this content, and also the free course up in the playlist section. So let's get into it. So first off, we have ticker ISCA. You can see it right here on the daily chart. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's come out a little bit. All right. So here we are on the daily chart. Let me adjust this real quick. Come on. Alright, so now that you can see it better, you see this massive red candlestick. It's dropping down like crazy, and you can use the news right here to check out the reason why, and this is why you need to do your own DD. But I'm going to skip that right here so I can spare everybody the time and make this video short. Alright, so here we are. We have strong momentum pushed down. It busts through the bottom, Bollinger Band right here. Just massive red candlestick. It completely reverses right here on the MACD, and the RSI shooting straight down. So tomorrow, April 16th, we actually want to see this run up. I know that sounds crazy, but we want to see this run up before taking a short position in it. So, if this thing runs up, I don't know what it's going to run up to, but if it runs up to whatever and then starts to struggle, and then you start seeing it, tilt in your favor, and you decide to enter it right there with put contracts, then, just give it time, let it play out, and the way it's set up at this moment, it should continue to drop more. Or in theory, it should continue. So that is ticker ISCA. The next one, it is actually a bullish position, and it is ticker CTLT. So I actually called this one out in so many different chats, the Facebook page, everything. So here we are. Strong green candlestick, busting through the top. It pulls back a little bit at the end of the day, but complete reversal right here on the MACD, and you see the RSI shooting up, about ready to break past 70. So tomorrow, what we want to look for is a pullback, and then we would take a long position in this. All right, and that is ticker CTLT. And for the final one, this is ticker MDSO. So same thing, strong green candlestick, bust through the top, complete reversal on the MACD right here. RSI is shooting up. This one right here, out of all 3, I would expect this one to honestly probably not have a pullback and take off a little bit. But if you decide to, enter this or to watch this trade, just watch for that. Just make sure that it's not going to pull back first, and have a plan ready. So this one right here, I personally think it's going to just come out just the way it's set up and not all the way up on the RSI right here. I think it's going to open up tomorrow and basically start going up some more, and squeeze it out maybe another $1.50. and then maybe a pullback. But if you could, if you could get a pullback and then make a solid entry with your contracts to write it up, that'd be perfect. But that's what I see. These 3 tickers. Again, this one is MDSO, and I'll name them off one more time. So the bearish one is ISCA, and the 2 bullish ones are CTLT, MDSO. So I hope this video helps you out in your trades. Again, start looking at these tomorrow, April 16th. And these are going to be for swing trades. If you can pull off a day trade in it, even better. But there you go. I hope this helps you guys out, and I appreciate you guys taking your time, and I will see you in the next one.